Murigerere bengi ya Family Bank ebasagere wa Kisii ni gabona rwanganyire nabona ni gabarache gwansa gukorera obokorere bwabo mbarabare ni getaseni kyabanyanyimbo ya Central ase nyomba gusasa magacho azone ko mucyo busongo ebengi yo mancho murigerere ni go yabero mucyo busongo ose ase county ya Kisii wetanya emyaka 19 bono ase bana balireira yo gochikwana na obokorere boro buya gochase ababwatani bwabo
3 2 1 0. Let's appreciate that.
We are so grateful. Umetembea na sisi from the time we came 19 years ago na mpaka wa leo. And even today, kuacha biashara zenu mkuje tufungue hii biashara pamoja, or this premise together, we don't take it for granted. We are so grateful. We feel blessed. Na mimi kama mtendaji mkuu wa Family Bank nasema asanteni sana. Na kwa wale ambao hawajui Family Bank ni nini? Family Bank tulianzia 40 years ago kama vile mnaona hapa. 40 years ago, 1984. Mungu amenineemesha. I joined Family Bank when it was only 17 years old. I've been with Family Bank for 23 years.
Now I'm encouraging all of you, please bring more customers. This is the bank of the time. This is the bank of the time. Hakuna bank ingine.
Energy is the same. We are energized, the same team, ready to serve you, and I welcome you to give us business. And as you give us business, we also promise to take care of your business well, so that we give you a wow experience. Thank you for supporting us this far.
Kisii was one of my best branches. One of my best branches. Na mpaka wa leo, kama kuna branch yenye ina perform vizuri, na najua sasa tumekuja mahali pazuri ita perform even better, ni Kisii branch. Na wa Kisii mmebarikiwa. Wana Kisii mmebarikiwa.